In this tutorial guys, I want to walk you through a step-by-step process on how you can easily create videos by making use of text prompts. Now this AI tool I'm going to show you right here on this video helps you generate a script, create scenes, add voiceovers, and tweaks the video at your command. So right here guys, the name of this AI tool is called InVideo. So guys, simply go on to the InVideo.io and you just want to simply enter any topic and the InVideo AI gets to work. So guys, let's dive into the video on how to create a video by simply making use of a text prompt. So guys, you want to simply go on to try InVideo AI, and there is no credit card required for this, so I'm just going to go on to this right here. Or you can easily log in if you have an account already, and it's going to load up and take you right onto the sign up page right here. So guys, as you can see, you can easily sign up with your Google account or join with Apple, or you simply put in your email address, and once you do that, it's going to take you right onto the dashboard. So once you're done signing up, it's going to take you right onto this page. So the first thing guys you want to do is to go on to select a workflow, and guys, as you can see, we have the YouTube Shorts, YouTube Explainer, recent event video, or script to video. So guys, you want to simply just tap on the YouTube Explainer video, or you can easily go on to the YouTube script to video right here. But guys, I'm just going to make use of the YouTube Explainer video. So right here guys, you want to tap on this. As you can see, select the minutes video you want to generate. So I'm just going to tap in on the 1 minute video, a YouTube video about. You want to simply give this your topic. So I want to create a 1 minute YouTube video about exploring the rise and fall of a powerful empires right here. Now you can easily put in some optional creative direction that you can simply make this video your own by adding some detailed creative thoughts and ideas like your tone, humor, and lots more. But it's an optional right. So then make background music for, you can decide to make use of this. So I'm just going to make this to be let's say cinematic right here. Let's make it to be a cinematic kind right here. So then once you're done the settings, use gender, let's make use of a female gender for the voiceover, and any voice let's make use of, I'm just simply going to make use of a clear American voice. Then add subtitles. Yes, let's look it up. Let's make use of add subtitles with a standard look and feel. Use the watermark text. So I want this to be my watermark text for my video. So once you're done with that, you're going to use iStock normally. So you can easily just tap on this, or you can easily just leave it, and the InVideo AI knows what to do, and go on to continue right here. So once you're done with this, you want to simply go on to generate a video, and this is creating your section. It's going to analyze this, and once this is done, it's going to take you right into another page. And guys, you can easily join us on Discord. You can make use of their Discord server to generate your video, or you can easily download the iOS app right here for your Apple device right here. And sometimes the InVideo AI may occasionally generate some incorrect information, so you should edit, and so you can and you should edit the AI generated content for you. So as you can see, it is preparing our video right here. So guys, as you can see, you want to simply select your audience. So let's make this to be history buffs, look and feel epic. Let's make it to be epic. Right now the platform should be YouTube, and you go on to continue right here, and this is just going to take a few minutes and our video will be ready. So right here guys, as you can see, our video is done generating. So I'm just going to play this video for us to see how it actually looks like. So guys, this is our video right now. Now you can easily do some editing right here, or you can easily make use of the AI tool to edit your video. And once you're done with editing your video and you're satisfied with the way it actually looks like, you want to simply go onto the export button and export your video. But right here guys, as you can see, in order for you to be able to export your video without no watermark, you want to simply upgrade right here. You can select your InVideo AI branding. You want to make use of normal. And right here guys, you can easily export your video with stock watermark for a free plan, but if you want to simply make use of no watermark, you want to simply require an upgrade to a paid plan. But right here guys, this is how you can easily generate a video by simply making use of the InVideo AI text prompts to video right here.